Not all recipes have to have meat. I think it's good to give our body a break from meat at least once a week. I'm going to show you this delicious chickpea salad that you can eat on a sandwich, in a wrap, or eat it with gluten-free crackers. It's delicious and I cannot wait for you to try it in your own kitchen.
I'm all about showing you how to make anti-inflammatory recipes. Recipes that have ingredients that are going to serve your body well, but also are packed with flavor. Chronic inflammation is an issue and we need to lower it in our body, and doing it through food is such a powerful thing. I also want to show you that it's okay not to eat meat about once a week or so. Give your body a break. If you're already vegetarian or vegan, awesome. But if you're not, just be aware of how much meat you're consuming. We also need nuts, seeds, legumes, and these chickpeas offer us lots of protein. You're basically going to dump everything in a bowl, mix it together, and you can store it in your fridge for up to a week. I love this recipe on a gluten-free tortilla wrapped up with some fresh baby spinach and a little bit of Dijon mustard. You eat it however you want. If you would like more inspiration around anti-inflammatory recipes, be sure to like and follow for more.